Today I'm building a $20 Lego car that's cheaper than almost any build out there, but packed with personality. This open-top design has no roof at all, making it feel like a real cruiser ready for an adventure. Honestly, if I put this on display at a Lego store, I bet it could sell for $500 because of how unique it looks. Right now, I'm starting with the chassis and shaping the upper frame, and I've added a couple of tiny Lego people inside, so it feels like they're out on a fun road trip. Piece by piece, this little budget build is turning into one of the most amazing open Lego cars I've ever created. Starting by building the chassis first, and look at this. There's a gear system inside it that's going to make the whole build feel more realistic. I need to get the stance just right, because every great Lego car begins with a solid foundation. After that, I'll be adding the engine, then the tires, and finally the power steering setup. Piece by piece, this build is turning into something truly special. The car isn't fully built yet. I think I've only completed about 10% of it so far. There are still tons of small Lego pieces I need to add, and honestly, this build is going to take some real brain power to finish. I'm slowly adding lots of tiny details to make the design look even better. Inside the car, I'm planning to place 2 white seats to give it a clean, open road vibe, and I'll also add a cool rotating string mechanism that will give the whole build a unique premium touch. With every new piece I add, this Lego car is starting to feel more special, and I'm sure that once it's finished, even viewers in the United States will say, "Now that is a next level Lego car." Right now, I'm working on the rear bumper to protect the car from any damage, and I'm also adding 2 big exhaust silencers to give it a powerful, aggressive sound. These details are really going to level up the look and feel of the build, making the back of the car look bold, strong, and ready for action.